Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on Oxy. And I took an earlier trade at around 12:15. So I had a late start to the day today. Let's see, let's get into this first trade right here. Let me just make it big on the floor pivots. Right, so R1 is over here. Let me grab the Epic pen. All right, so R1 is over here at 69.77. Took the breakout of R1 right here. I was kind of late to when it broke out because it actually broke out around, let's see, that was at 12 o'clock. So I kind of opened my platform around like about 12:05, somewhere around there, and saw this movement. Let's see. So I took this breakout right here on this kind of bull flag. We caught support right here at R1 again after we broke out, retest R1. We're way above the upper VWAP line. So went long here at let's see, what was that? That was around 70.21. Ran up to R2, covered 75% of the position right here at R2 at 78.93. And I believe that's what I caught right there exactly, around 78.93 or 78.96. Yeah, no, actually not 78, it's 70, my bad. Sometimes these lines get blocked up by the falling point of control over here. So my apologies. So the first 75% was at 70, let's see, 93. Yeah, somewhere around there, 1993. And then I covered all at the break of upper VWAP at 70.65. And let me just discuss how I re-entered right here, how I caught this reversal, right? So let's see. And looking at the CAM levels, let's see what breakout was that. Well, that was R3. You could have caught that at around 11:45. And it also broke above upper VWAP line at this red line right here. Right, so it's R3 is right here at 69.34. And upper VWAP is right there as well, crossing over. So we got that breakout right here. So that would have been a nice entry. It's like a double resistance breakout. So that would have been a nice entry right there. So yeah, I covered all here, and let's talk about how I well, it was a R4. Actually, it was a real nice R4 breakout I took here. So this is what I was looking at, because sometimes I look more at the Camarilla pivots compared to like the floor pivots. So you could see this is a perfect R4 breakout right here. See, R4 is at 70.08. So on the bull flag, just took the breakout right there. So Camarilla wise, and for when the time I opened my platform, that was a great entry. Oh, and this trade is doing good, looking like we're breaking out here. So let me talk about how I caught this nice reversal right here at 70.38. You can say that that's like a sniper entry, right? You see how I caught that right at the bottom right there of that candle. So let me show you how I got that. Oh, and this is the trading terminal by Beable Traders. You'll check it out at tradingterminal.com. This is a great, as you can see, it has everything, foreign exchange, commodities, cryptocurrencies, US and global market indices, sectors, performance. So if you open this at the beginning of your trading day, you can see exactly where stuff is moving, where the money is flowing into, so you could jump in, you know what I mean? All right, so let's go to my Oxy setup, right? So what I did was I went to my commodities list and I pulled out the WTI, right? Let me do this. Boom. So the WTI, right? I was looking at that for when Oxy started to pull back. I started looking at that. So let me get back Oxy over here. Go back to hot list. Oxy is supposed to be down here somewhere. Right. Get Oxy back over there. Go back to the commodities. Right. So I pulled out WTI and then I pulled out US oil. Right. So I was looking at US oil at around this level right here, and I saw when the volume came in and we had this push up on US oil, right? Let me see if I can make that bigger real quick. Right, so you see that push up on US oil right there. Excuse me. At the volume point of control right here. This is Anna Cooling's let me get the right name of it. The right quantum volume point of control, right? This is this dotted white line right here. The dotted line, and then there's the dashed line. So it's two volume point of controls I use, and they kind of line up at this level right here. So we got this huge wick rejection off of this level, and it started pushing up, and this is at 1340, right? So look at this over here on Oxy at 1340. What we got, we had this kind of what you could call like a hammer candle, a kind of doji candle, right? So I was looking at it. I was looking at the volume. It's showing that it's selling volume, which is the purple, but actually we're buying up with this wick. So that gave me the confidence right there to jump in, you know what I mean? And where did I get in? At 70.38. So I jumped in right there, and now we all the way up here. So sometimes it's good to look at certain sectors, especially with like stuff like oil. If you trade in oil, you should definitely have the US oil chart up as well, because that'll give you a gauge of where the move is happening. Because you see the move happened here before it actually happened over at Oxy, right? So Oxy is a company that deals with oil, but this is the actual US oil chart. So this is gonna move probably first, and then the company is gonna respond, right? So it was like a little heads up. And right now I think I'm gonna move my, or you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a partial right here. Let's take 50% off right here. Right, so let's take 50% at 71 and set my stop at 70, 79. Or 78. Let's do 78. And target price is still, well, not still, but this was my original target price is 72.50. And let's see. All right, so set my stop there again. Let's make that bigger. And hopefully we push up from here. It looking like we're gonna move right now as well. Let's see. Let's pull this across. Let's see, the level 2 is looking a lot stronger compared to the ask is looking a lot stronger compared to the bids. But there's a bunch of bids stacked up at around 70.89. So I gotta watch for a pullback, or 70.98. There's a big bid right there. So I gotta watch for like a pullback to catch that order, you know. And I don't really see anything below 70.89. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop up to 70.87, and looks like we have a lot of supporting bids right there. So there's nothing in between 70.91 and 70.15. So the bids is scarce. There's a lot of ask going up to like 72.44, 72.50, 72.73. There's a stack right there from Goldman Sachs and Nasdaq Exchange. So we're trying to get up to there and capture that target. If that's their target, that's my target too, you know. And today I'm not holding on to any short bias because we have this kind of flip in the market right now. We're catching some support and things is moving, you know what I mean? But anyway, I'm gonna cut this video short right now, and if it runs up, I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yadia. 2 green trades on Oxy. Caught this sniper reversal right here, and it's moving. Let's see, we're getting a little pullback. Those bids at 70.89 disappeared. So I don't think this is gonna, there's no volume right here. If you look at it, you see there's no volume on this pullback right here. Volume is all the way down at 36,000, so that ain't nothing. What it might do is it might clip me for a stop out, but hopefully not. Maybe it'll hold R5 here at 70.94. Alright, y'all, if it works out even better and it doesn't clip me off, I'ma just do a part 2 to the video. Alright, it's King Yadia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.